FX audio connected to my Onkyo speakers, and as you see, the TOS link is on because the PlayStation 4 has TOS link. So I'll be right back. Okay, just turned on. So, and I have to set it to optical, which is the middle button. Optical is the middle button. Okay, what's the PlayStation theme? You hear it? Okay, we'll get to 36 now. Some people have complained on the on Amazon about hissing. I think it's the wrong speakers. The speakers they're using small speakers which are too sensitive for such a powerful little amp. So you're gonna get a lot of noise. I think that's pretty good. I'll give you the stats about the Onkyo later, but I'd say from this little sound check that the FX audio passes the first test. I got it for $83 off eBay, and I could have gotten it for $72 on Amazon. This little, I'm always impressed, and I don't know what I'm always impressed. I'm impressed now that this one does. It does with everything the Harman Kardon does, but this is a Blu-ray player and it's got internet connection. But I think I think this one is the perfect for the what the modern world. Almost everything has Toslink or digital coax or USB output, right? You want some nice stereo sound from a little box. I can you can some God forbid something happens, I can actually pack it away, carry it in the backpack, or the opposite. Let's say just want to go to take it into a party or something and help add some sound, something like that. I mean, how many times can you carry a 80 what is it, 2 by 80 80 watt per channel stereo system in your backpack? God, it's maybe even in your back pocket if your pocket's big enough. So anyway, that's the first sound check.